Hello, my friends. Liberty Garden, March 7th, Saturday. Did not go to the farm today because I needed to take care of something here at home, which is this Honda lawnmower. I got this machine last year and never had a Honda before. I've always had Craftsman, Bergen Stratton motors, that type of machine, American machines. Well, made in China, but American machines. And this one is a Honda. Never had one before. An excellent machine, very low vibration, not much noise, good enough power, good machine. And I was told by the dealership where I got it to the lawn place where I got it. It's a place that specializes in selling equipment to landscapers. To drain the fuel before I put it away. They basically told me if you're not going to drain the fuel completely, at least turn this knob here to the up position and let it run out of fuel in the carburetor. I forget to do either, drain the fuel or turn this thing up and drain the carburetor out. Basically run it until it runs out of gas. So come this spring, I turned it on a couple of weeks ago and it was running, it's idling very rough. Sounds like a Harley Davidson at a stop sign. Just kind of that type of thing. And the moment I put it on the grass, it stalls and dies. So I don't know. I don't know much about small engines, but I more or less use YouTube and kind of follow the logic of the fuel. So I began by first getting rid of the old fuel. I opened the cap, drained the fuel, old fuel, put new fuel in there. Then I tried that again, still idling very roughly and still dying on me. Next thing I did, I came here to the spark plug, maybe just on the off chance that it's a little dirty, misfiring a little bit or something, and the spark plug is clean, nothing wrong with it. I mean, like I said, I just got it last year. What do you want? What do you want? Little whiny little cat. He likes to be inside and he's outside right now. But anyway, so I checked the spark plug. It's very clean. It's a new spark plug. No need to change that. Then I also removed the filter from here, and I checked the filter, made sure that the filter was clean. Actually, I did that before even checking the spark plug. The filter is relatively clean. I tapped it a couple times, just kind of make sure it was clean. It was. It's not a very. I mean, this machine has less than 20 hours of work, so the filter is good. So that led me to the conclusion that if it's not the spark plug, it's not the old gas, it's not the filter, it's got to be a gunked-up carburetor. As a result of me leaving the gas with no stabilizer in the tank for about 3 months. So I went to the store and I got some of this carb cleaner. And to get to the carb, you remove these two little buttons. And I took the carb out, unhooked it from the fuel line here. Here goes the fuel line to it. I unhooked it from there and I hooked it to the throttle. And I put this thing. There's a little nut at the bottom of the carb. I emptied that out. That's where the gas goes. I took that out and I just sprayed every little crevice in the carburetor with this carb cleaner, and that fixed the problem. I had called the place where I got it to see if they could fix it under warranty, and they said no, it's a fuel issue. We told you better. It's not covering the warranty. Bring it in. It'll be $40 just to look at it. It's okay. No, thank you. So I just got the carb cleaner and decided, well, let me do it. And sure enough, it works now. So here are the steps. Run your machine. If it starts idling roughly, cut your fuel line here. Switch your gas. Turn your gas out. Try it again. If it continues to run idle, clean your filter, your air filter. If it's still bad, check your spark plug. If none of that fixes it, it's probably a gunked-up carburetor, if it's a new machine, or it could be a bad carburetor. And just apply some little carb cleaner to it, and it'll work again. And worst case scenario, if it's the carburetor is beyond repair, if let's say it's an old machine or something, you can just replace the carburetor. I mean, it's no. I took out the whole little carburetor and had it in my hand when I was cleaning it, so I could have bought another carburetor for about $12, $15. Just stuck it in there, and that's it. So that's about it, folks. Just thought I'd share this with you. Until next time.